The last deal of the day I got were these Tide Simple Clean and Fresh pods. When I used 2 of them in my recent wash, my clothes actually smelled nice. Sometimes when I use the cheapo detergents, I don't smell anything, but they actually smelled nice. So this was cool. I was like, oh, if I can get a deal on Tide, then that would be awesome. So these usually retail for, oh, my hand is shaking. Hold on, let me hold it better. Whoa. These retail for $6.99, $7, but they were on sale for $2.94 each, so pretty much half price off. And on top of that, on the CVS app, I saw that I had a 50-cent manufacturer coupon, so came out to $2.70. That's pretty much like saving $4, right? Just about $4. $2.50 for Tide, $2.70. That's not bad. I'll take that. That's a good deal.